10 amazing juice diet recipes for weight loss. People eager to lose weight usually go on fruits juice diets. Whereas fruits juice provides with many nutrients, one needs to combine it with some exercise routine to lose that weight. Vegetable and fruits juice gives the body with all nutritional supplements required for healthy immunity. Vegetable juice can work as diet supplements and the sugar content is lower than in fruit juices. Here are the 10 amazing and healthy juice recipes for weight loss are as follows. 1. Papaya passion juice. Ingredients. 1 papaya. 1 apple. 4 to 5 dates. Directions: pit the dates and then blend all the above ingredients in a juicer. Best when served fresh. This is a healthy juice recipe. 2. Grapefruit orange juice recipe. Ingredients. 3 oranges. 1 grapefruit. Directions. Take out the juice of those fruits and in a blend in the juicer. Add ice and sip. Grapefruits are beneficial for losing weight. This healthy juice is also high in vitamin C. 3. Fusion veggie juice. Ingredients. 5 to 6 medium carrots. 1 apple. 1 celery. Half cucumber and half beets. Direction. Wash, peel and cut the vegetables and blend in a juicer. You can add the little ginger if you like some spice in your healthy juice. 4. Cucumber kiwi blast. Ingredients. 2 kiwi fruits. 1 large cucumber. Directions. Wash, make sure you begin by peeling the kiwis using only the flesh part. Juice both ingredients at the same time, prepare the ingredients for juicing. 5. Cleansing veggie broth. Ingredients. 2 to 3 carrots. 2 celery. 2 beets. 1 turnip. 3 kale leaves. 1/4 parsley bunch. 2 to 3 garlic cloves. Half spinach bunch. Half cabbage head. Half onion. Directions. Boil the all above the ingredients and sip. This healthy juice will help not only lose weight but also in detoxification of the body too. 6. ACC juice. Apple carrot celery. Ingredients. 2 to 3 apples. 2 celery sticks. 2 carrots. 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Directions. Core the apples, peel and chop carrots. Add apples, carrots, celery and lemon juice to a mixer and blend well. Pour into glass and add ice if desired. This is a refreshing and delicious weight loss juice. 7. Melon juice. Ingredients. 2 cups cubed watermelon. 2 cups cubed honeydew melon. 2 cups cubed cantaloupe. 1 inch grated ginger. Directions: mix all the above ingredients, blend in juicer and add ice. This is best refreshing and cooling low-calorie juice recipe. 8. Morning sunlight juice. Ingredients. 2 oranges. 1 grapefruit. 6 to 7 strawberries. Half banana. Directions: take out the juice from orange and grapefruit. Blend that juice well with berries and bananas. Combination well and serve. 9. Carrot beet juice. Ingredients. 7 to 8 carrots. Half boiled and peeled beetroot. 4 leaves lettuce. Directions: blend all the ingredients well and enjoy this healthy juice recipe. 10. Strawberry delight. Ingredients. Half cup strawberries. 1 cup fresh orange. And half lemon. Directions: blend the strawberries and orange juice with the juice of the lemon. Pour in glass and enjoy this nutritious and healthy juice recipe.